So good morning everyone. In the last some classes we have seen concepts of mensuration. Mainly we have discussed some 2D figures. Last week of Jan, Shiva ma'am said. Okay, Aranya. Okay. So when we recalled, we understood two terms mainly: perimeter and area. Perimeter was only concerned with the outer boundary, and area was concerned with the inner thing. So we have discussed three or four kind of quadrilaterals. Triangles we have discussed. Then we have discussed circles also at the end. Yesterday only I told you the concept of, sir, now will study volume. Yes. Okay. So yesterday I told you the concept of semicircular arc and semicircular disc. So please keep that in your mind. Lateral surface area. Surface area I think in class 9th only, na? So, Krishna. Because 3D figures are not there, na? In class 8 I think 3D figures are not there. Only 2D is there. In 3D we have that. Rain is quite noisy now. Okay, so we have seen yesterday the concept of semicircular arc, in which we have an example of broken bangle, and second is broken CD or broken chapati from the middle. That is an example of semicircular disc. So triangles and circles don't come in quadrilateral. Yes, they don't come. There are questions from TSA. Okay, then we will see. Okay, but because normally TSA and LSA volume I have seen 19 only. Let's see if it is here. We will see. Okay, yesterday we have done 2-3 questions of 11.1, and I told you to do it in homework. Please ask your doubts from 11.1. We have done question number 2, question number 3, question number 2. So we have done just okay. You were telling. I have completed chapter. Very good, Ananya. Question number 5, part B. Okay, let's see. Before that, let's take question 4 also, because some might be having doubt in that. So as I told you, the main thing that you have to keep in mind is diagram and the statement. If you write the statement in these questions, then putting the formula will be very easy for you. Okay, let's see question number 4 first. Question number 4 is saying a flooring tile has a shape of parallelogram. So question number 4, we have a flooring tile in this shape of parallelogram ABCD. Fine. This is the tile. Now they are saying whose base is 24 and the corresponding height is 10. So if I take this as base, then this will become the height. I remember. I hope you all remember the concept. Because of the base or because of the height, the base will change. So in this case, if I take AB as base, that is 24 centimeter, the height will be this one, which is the corresponding height of 10 centimeter. Let me call it DE. So this is your B and this is your H. Now they are saying how many such tiles are required to cover a floor of area 1080 meter square. So we have a area to be covered. Suppose your washroom, you want to have some tiles on the floor. The washroom area is like this, 1080 meter square, and you want these tiles to be put in this washroom. One way is to start putting and then analyzing different combinations, and then if less are required, giving it back. What happened? Video, Vanshika, is my video creating a problem for you or is it fine? I think it is fine. If it is creating problem, I will switch it off. Okay. Now let's see. So one way is to first check one by one by putting and then see if we require more or less. Okay. If we require more, we can go to the shopkeeper and buy more. Second way is to find our own the number of tiles required by the formula. So somehow we should be knowing that tiles, when put it completely, will be containing this area 1080. So we can say area of floor is equal to what? Please tell. If there are n number of tiles, let n number of tiles are required. I have taken a variable. Tell me the story. Tell me the story that we will write. Area of floor is equal to what? If n tiles are required, what should be the statement for this one? Please tell. If n number of tiles are required, what should be the statement? Area of floor is equal to what? Tell me the statement. Okay, it is n multiplied with area of one tile. Are you able to understand this thing, class? Please tell how we came to this statement. Very simple, because we have assumed n number of tiles are used to cover up this whole area. That is why this equation came, that area of complete floor is equal to n, that is the number of tiles, into area of one tile. Now let's put the values in this formula or this statement. Area of floor is given to us as 1080 meter square is equal to n into area of one tile. What is area of one tile? In this case, they are base into height. Yes, class? We all know the area of a parallelogram is base into height. It is not length into breadth, because here the perpendicular one is height. But we have a problem with us, that the area of floor is in meter square and the area of tile will come in centimeter square. So what do you want? What should we convert? Meter square into centimeter square or cm to m? What do you want? What will be easy? Okay, going from meter to centimeter is easy, because we all know we have to multiply something that is easy, then dividing. So better we change the area of floor only. This becomes n into base into height. We can write this as 1080 into 1 meter square is equal to n into base into height. And we all know 1 meter square is nothing but 1 meter into 1 meter, that is n into base into height. Finally, we can change now. 1 meter is actually 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter, that is equal to n into b into h. This thing that I have done is just to show you how we got that combination, that 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. Just to show you how that formula comes. Okay, so don't be confused that you have to show all these steps. You don't need to show all these steps. You just need to understand how the things are getting converted. Okay, now it becomes 1080 into 10,000 centimeter square is equal to n, which is a variable. What is the value of b? The value of b, that is base of tile, is 24 centimeter and the height is 10. Now let's make this n alone on the right hand side. What will happen? 1080 into 10,000 upon 24 into 10. As I have told you, 10,000, 100 are very good numbers. If they are getting cutted completely, cut them. Else leave them as it is. Now try to simplify these two first. Don't touch this one because it is a good number. So let's see. I think with 8, no. With 4, it will go. Okay. 4 6 are 24. 4 2 are 8. 2 balance 8. 4 7 are and 0. Now we can take 3. 3 2 are 6. with 6 also we can go na, I think, because this number is divided 2 as well as, okay, with 6 also we can go. 6 1 is 6, 6 4 24, 3 is there, 5s are. So class, what is the answer? 45 into 1000. So n came as 45,000 tiles. In mensuration, calculation is also a very important part, because if you calculate in different ways, you will find that the time that you are consuming will be changing. So better you apply a technique in which you have to do least of the calculations, because more calculation, more confusion, and more chances of giving a mistake or doing a mistake. Okay, now question number 5 was a doubt. Let's see. So please scroll up 1 second. Now is it fine with HK, or you want more? Class, please confirm. Is this question clear to you? How we used this statement? Please make sure that you are using the statement in every question, because without the story, it will not look good. Okay, just writing the numbers directly and getting the answer is not good. You should write a story also before that. Okay, now let's see question number 5. Okay, question number 5 is this one. Okay, many of you must have done this question, but let's see. An ant is moving around few food pieces of different shapes scattered on the floor. For which food piece would the ant have to take longer round? So we have to find the circumference or perimeter in all these three cases and compare in which case the ant moved the maximum. So let's see. This is the initial point. So like this we can say the first path we have to find is arc ABC, then plus CA. In this case we have to find AB length plus BC length plus CD length plus arc DEA. Class, this is the thing. Better you put these alphabets for your question. So here also you can put A, B, C, D. So here we have to find arc ABC length plus AC. So we all know how to find the length of arc ABC. A simple arc, we have done the formula is pi r plus AC is actually 2r, or and is given to us already 2.8. Just put the value 22 by 7 into r is how much? If complete is 2.8, then r is how much? Please tell. 1.4. Half of this plus 2.8. Like this, if you solve, you will get the length covered in the first case. I hope first one is not difficult. It is clear to everyone. Please tell. The first A portion is not difficult at all. We just need to find pi r plus 2r. Okay, it is clear. Now let's take second part, which was doubt. In this case, you will write the path covered is equal to AB line plus BC line segment plus CD line segment plus arc DEA. Just writing the statement makes it very much easy to understand for the evaluator also that what you are thinking. Okay, now just put the values. What is the value of AB? Please tell. What is the value of AB? It is 1.5. What is the value of BC? That is 2.8. What is the value of CD? CD is again 1.5 plus arc DEA, which is again the same thing. What should we consider it? A semicircular arc or disc? Please tell. This DEA is arc or disc? Class, please help me. This is a arc because this bottom portion is not there. This portion is not there. So we are only moving on this path, which is a broken bangle. A broken bangle is a arc. So we can just write pi r. And r is again 1 point. Arc is again, sorry, r, that is radius, is half of the diameter, which is 1.4. Now I hope it was out of Harshul. Harshul, now it would be easy to solve. Please confirm. 3 into 15 by 10 plus, okay, why 3 into 15 by 10? Ananya, why 3? Have you added? Okay, 3 plus 2.8 like that, na? Okay. Okay, you can check. Now I think I don't require to solve it. Okay, 3 times it is coming. Fine. How 3 times? 1.5 is coming here and here only. 2 times only it is coming. It is not coming 3 times, I think. It was doubt of Harshul. Harshul, please confirm. Can you solve this on your own? Harshul, it was your doubt only. Please confirm. Okay. Same thing is here also. You will write the path covered is equal to arc A, B, C plus CD plus AD. So this way you can find the length covered by the ant to eat the food, and you can easily compare in which path the maximum length is covered. Class, is it clear to everyone? Please confirm by P or R. Please confirm. Okay. Vanshika got this. Good. Others, please confirm. If you want me to completely solve this, I will completely solve also. Got it, Hitishri. Good, beta. The next concept is area of trapezium. Have you done this concept trapezium already? Please tell. Have you done the concept of trapezium? Its area. Have you done? Please tell. Have you done the concept of? No, we have not done. Okay. Let's see. I think we have done trapezium also, but let's see. So let's see. Next concept is trapezium. So trapezium is also a quadrilateral. Sir, done trapezium, Hiteshri is saying. Okay. But no problem. Let's see. So can anyone define trapezium for me? What is a trapezium? Yes, Krishna. Uh, Class, please do one thing. One second, let me stop the recording. Pause the recording. Anyone who knows what is trapezium? In trapezium, diagonals bisect each other. Krishna. No, Krishna, no such definition of trapezium. Please check. No. In the case of parallelogram, we say generally. Okay, not in the case of trapezium. But I searched it online. Okay. See, the main definition of trapezium that we have, yes, it is having one set of opposite parallel sides. So trapezium is a quadrilateral having one pair of opposite parallel sides. Yes, one pair of opposite sides parallel in the case of trapezium. In our case, we have taken AB parallel to CD. You can see I have drawn the diagram in such a way that I have drawn AB parallel to CD. Now, to find its perimeter is very simple. We just need to add the length of AB, BC, CD plus DA. A quadrilateral with a pair of opposite parallel sides. Yes, Prashant is correct. Now let's see what is the formula of area of a trapezium. There are many ways to find the area. One way is to divide this trapezium into a triangle and a parallelogram, or two triangles and a rectangle. There are many ways to find the area of a trapezium, but we are having a direct formula also. If the length of two parallel sides is A units and B units, and the length of height is H units, we can say the area is given by half into height into sum of parallel sides, that is A plus B. This is area of trapezium. Okay, there are many ways to find the area of trapezium. You can find area of triangle separately and add the area of rectangle into it, or you can make one triangle and one parallelogram like this. Let me show you. Like this also you can do. In this case, what will happen? This is your trapezium only, ABCD, and you have made this construction by which you have got one part as a parallelogram and one part as a triangle. So this way also you can find the area. It depends which way you want. Using the formula is most convenient if you know the values of height and the sum of parallel sides. Okay, now let's see some questions based on this so that you can do your homework today. Okay, area of general quadrilateral. Okay, let's see. Fine. Special quadrilaterals also we have done. Polygon we have not done, but it's simple. We will discuss in the questions only. Now let's start. 11.2. The shape of top surface of a table is a trapezium. Find its area if its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter and the perpendicular distance between them is 0.8. Very simple class. If you see, this table is actually an example of trapezium. You just need to draw a diagram in the copy like this. Without diagram, questions are incomplete. So name it like A, B, C, D. Draw a perpendicular like this, DE. So it is given to you that length of A is 1.2 meter, length of B is 1 meter, length of H is 0.8 meter. Now you can easily find the area with the formula. Area is equal to half into height, that is 0.8, into sum of parallel sides, that is 1.2 plus 1. Just by solving this, you will get the answer. Okay, it is 0.88, fine. So 2.2. Now we can divide this 2 and this becomes 0.4. Finally, we have to multiply these two. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. Decimal at one place, decimal at one place. So here it comes at two places. 0.88 meter square or 0.88 meter square is the answer. Sir, how to find perimeter? Perimeter is not asked in this question. Yes, if perimeter is asked, they have to give you these outer dimension also, because AD is required for that. Okay, AD is required for that and CD is required for that. Okay, somehow you can find AD also, but finding this, what do you say, CD is not that easy. So whenever the question wants to find these perimeter, they will have to give you the outer dimensions completely. Okay, Yash? Yes, you need to have all these measurements, then only you can find the perimeter. Now you have to try these questions today on your own. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss the doubts based on these questions only. Okay, let me finish it here. Stop.